Top lessons Napoleon Hill taught us about success. The power of desire. The starting point for all achievement is desire. Desire isn't just a want. It's a deep, burning need that fuels all achievement. Your desires are your internal compass, guiding you towards success. Find your true desire, make it strong, and the path to achievement becomes much more clear. Test drive the new Secrets of Success Mastermind community for 30 days, and we'll ship you these 3 gifts for free. Think and Grow Rich, foreword by Russell Brunson, best-selling personal development book of all time. Applied Psychology, never before published. This book was sold for $50 in 1919, equivalent of $879.50 today. Secrets of Master Salesmanship, never before published unpublished manuscript teaching the psychology of selling. Plus, as an active member of Secrets of Success, you'll also get free access to an audio presentation of me, Russell, reading a lost, unpublished, controversial Napoleon Hill book set that I purchased for $1.5 million. Click on the link in the description to learn more.